Good morning, my friends. I'm really excited. Just a short wee video to open up this little parcel I've received. So excited. So a new company or a small business here in New Zealand called Hope and Letters. On their launch, they ran a little giveaway over on Instagram, and my beautiful friend Lydia tagged me in that post. So firstly, thank you, Lydia, for tagging me in that. So I did what was required for that little giveaway, and I ended up winning. So excited. So Hope and Letters, a small New Zealand business, home run business, with Japanese stationery. Doesn't that just sound all sorts of yummy? So let's open this up. I have not even opened this, so let's try and open it, hopefully without damaging any contents. So I can feel there's nothing here except the plastic on this edge. So we're just going to carefully open it up. Ooh, I'm excited just by the packaging. Like this fun packaging stuff. Oh, it's got pretty washi tape on it too, and some lovely string. Beautifully presented. Oh, it's got my name on it as well. Oh, it's so exciting. Wow, that is really interesting the way it's... I'm now sorry that I didn't take more notice before I undid the bow, because it was really unusually done. Really, really beautiful. And then these knots are done differently too. Oh, there's no way I'm going to remember that, but that's super cool. Very cool. And we're not even into the goodies yet, and this is not just a basic string, this is beautiful string. It's like a cord, a woven cord. You know, string comes easily apart in its strands. This is actually woven cord, and it's really soft and beautiful. Oh, a lovely letter, lovely little card there. Personally addressed with beautiful, absolutely beautiful handwriting. Gorgeous. I do believe that she does calligraphy as well to order. So there's a little sample. Shall I show it to you up close? Because I had a wee look on the website, and I'm pretty sure I remember correctly that she does calligraphy. I do calligraphy, but not proper calligraphy. It's just my own mashup sort of way I developed, and it's nothing like proper calligraphy that is stunning and beautiful. I'm saving these wee bits of washi tape, so bear with me as I take my time getting into this. I don't want to ruin anything, not even the packaging, because as junk journalists we love a good bit of packaging, and I love this stuff. It's so cool, so fun to play with, especially in art journaling. Ooh, so exciting. So let's start from the bottom. So beautiful rabbit garden stickers. They are super cute. Hopefully you can, maybe I'll take them out of their plastic so you can see them a little better. They are on a plastic sheet though, so I don't know if it will help. Yeah, it probably needs something behind it actually, like a bit of paper. Just excuse me, just reaching for a bit of white paper, so perhaps a little easier to see. Super sweet. I love this bunny in the red dress, and a little horse. Just so cute, very adorable. And they're clear stickers, so that the surround should just basically disappear. It's not washi stickers, they are plastic, but effectively, you know, will act like washi. Beautiful, absolutely so cute. And then I'm going from the bottom to the top. I don't know why, I just am. Beautiful little notebook, I think. Oops, the side of the bag's actually split, so we'll take it out through the side because that looks way easier. Oh, the texture, beautiful textured cover. Like, it feels really nice quality. Like, what have we got inside? So there's a little wrap around here that just comes off. And then we've got name, subject, start date, little card there. And then there's a little sticker, which is textured paper. It's really beautiful and a bit of gold foiling. So that's a sticker, and gorgeous. And then more stickers. So we've got little teapots, little flowers, little teacup and saucer with maybe something on it. And then we've got the days, not the days, sorry, the months of the year. And they're all stickers. Beautiful, just tactile, very textured and beautiful. Yay, it's a dot grid journal. I love dot grid. I love it. And it's got little marks here and there to help you kind of like do straight lines. A little leaf down at the bottom of each page, which is super sweet. It just feels so beautiful. Like you can really tell the quality. The pages aren't like super thick, but they're thicker. They feel thicker than normal. Like they're not 80 GSM. And if they are, maybe it's because they're slightly textured. I don't know, but they're beautiful creamy colour. Can you see the colour difference between the white and the notebook? It just, from start to finish, it just feels like quality. It's really pretty. And is it A5? No, it's a bit smaller than A5, maybe A6. Does it say? So here it answers my question. The paper is 100 GSM. So yes, it is thicker than copy paper. So it comes in both dot and grid printed papers. So I'm really pleased that I ended up with the dot grid, because I've been really loving playing with dot grids. It's made from green tea mixed with roasted rice. Oh, so it's talking about green tea, a variety of green tea. Okay. And this type of Japanese tea is made from the roasted stems and leaves of tea plants harvested later in the season. So it's got a little information about different teas on the back. That's cool. Just, yeah, it's quality. You can tell, just holding it, you can tell that it's quality. Okay, on with the next thing. We have more stickers. So let's take them out the packaging. Oh, these are cute. You see this wee pussycat looking at strawberries and other assorted things in the basket there. Some bread and dairy, it looks like, wee scales with some apples on it. This this lady here with a cat in a backpack is so cute. So this is like a shopping day kind of theme going on. What does it say on the packaging? Yeah, it's called Grocery Day. Crystal Effect Clear PET stickers. Always pays to read the labelling, doesn't it, to know exactly what's going on. That's so cute. A little bunch of bananas and carrots and bok choy. Little fishy. Oh, so cute. Adorable. Okay, and now I'll get rid of the paper, I think. Beautiful little organza bag here with some goodies in it. So we've got a card with the socials. It's lovely. And even the card that these are made on is textured, like linen textured card. Really cool. So we have a cute little snowman in a jar sticker. Oh, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. And we have, what's this? Oh, that's right. I've forgotten that there was, because in the entry there was a little video showing what was in the giveaway. But of course, I didn't remember exactly. It says, bloom gracefully. Vintage elegance. So, bloom gratefully. Shall we try it out? Let's give it a try. Let's grab our bit of paper back. And Grab out black ink. Let's give it a wee test run. Oh, that's beautiful. That is really crisp, very, very readable. Absolutely stunning. Because sometimes with small text, you kind of think, oh, is it going to be that readable? That is gorgeous. That is truly, truly gorgeous. Now, I do know there's a set of these stamps over on the website, so I'll put the link in the description box. I don't know if it's only in New Zealand or not, shipping, so you might need to check that out. There's a set with different words on each stamp. They are just absolutely gorgeous. Love that. Okay, back to our little thing. We have a roll of cat washi tape. That's so cute. Let's open it up. Perfect for a cat lover like moi. Right, that's the end right there. Let's see if we can have a look at a section of it. So it's, ooh, rolly things roll. Who knew? So this is, it's clear tape, and there's like different individual little cats there. So you could like cut just a single cat off if you wanted to use it like a sticker, or you could put a whole strip of cats. So it looks like there's 4 different cats before the pattern repeats. So cute. Hopefully you can see that okay. Maybe we'll bring the paper back. Did it show up a bit better? Don't know, I'm creating quite a bit of a shadow there, so hopefully you can see. But really pretty. I imagine I'll be like eking the most I can out of it and doing little individual kitty cats. And then these are samples of this product. I can't remember what it's called, I'm sorry. But these are just sample sections. They're not the full thing that you would get if you ordered it. Oops, just trying to get the washi tape off. It's holding it closed. And again, these are individual little stickers. Like they're actually cut out. So you'd peel them off the roll. Aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. And so many different images there. Oh, stunning. I want to see the whole lot now. Yep, all different. It's a cute little lucky cat there. Oh, that looks fun. Lady lying on a blanket with some watermelon and apples. Some cherry blossom. There's a fridge there, that's cool. Like a vending machine fridge. A dog with her owner. Or its owner. So what I meant to say was a lady with her dog. Yeah, just beautiful. And I can't tell what that says at the end. It's probably not in English. But really, really lovely. And so this one is a different one. Closed with lovely piece of washi, so I will save that as well. Put it in my journal for today, I think. So I've got the washi over there. There's I think that's a dog, or is it a cat? Might be a cat because it looks to be the same as the cat there that's at the table with the lady. So this is more of a home-like one. So we've got some furniture, a lamp there, some artwork, like would hang on a wall. There's a bed. Looks like, is that a mobile with a cat? I think that's what that is. I'm not sure. There's a little goldfish. Oh, it might be a goldfish bowl. Maybe the goldfish goes in the bowl. There's a wee dog with a cat, with the owner grooming it. Some plants, a waste paper basket, hanging out the washing, cat there again, some clothes on clothes hangers, a wee sun, another cat sitting in a chair with a table, wee dog there reading, wee cat writing in its journal. It's so cute. Oh, just adorable. Oh, that's lovely. A little scene out sitting on the deck outside. A little carton of eggs. That's so sweet. And some wee garlics. The lady with a huge whisk. Oh, beautiful dog baking. A little cake there. Some, they look like snowdrops. The flower. Cat on top of the washing basket. So cute. Like, aren't they great stickers for a planner or for journaling? You know, it's like I stayed in all day in bed because I wasn't feeling well and read. You know, you could journal that, use that as a new journal. Or I read in bed last night before going to sleep with the cat. I don't know, I'm just being silly. Just, I can say the quality is amazing. The imagery, the style is really beautiful. Just, I am so spoiled by everything that's here. So we've got lots of fun stickers. So do go check out the website. They have Hope and Letters is the name of their wee business. And they have more than what's shown here. Like they have different journals, different stickers, different washi tapes, stamps. As I said, I think they do also do calligraphy. Just, aren't I lucky? So beautiful. So thank you, Hope and Letters, for running the giveaway, for pulling my name out of the hat, so to speak, and for sending such beautiful treasures. They are treasures, and I'm going to really enjoy using them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll be back again on Monday. See you then. Bye.